A calculated multiple choice question in the Moodle Quiz is very similar to a calculated question with the exception that it gives more than one answer. So if we were to click on the question mark and get a generic question to use, we can use that same style question we saw earlier. We'll enter that for the question name and for the question text. And we can see here that the answer should be this L times W included in the curly braces. So we'll copy and paste this, and we'll use the whole equation. Now, since it's multiple choice, we have the option of giving our students multiple answers. So for here, I'm going to keep in the asterisk for the multiplication answer, and we'll mark that as 100%. Now, some students may try to add or subtract, so we'll use that as an example, and we'll take out the multiplication as for the asterisk and put a plus sign. And we'll come to another one and put the subtraction sign. And that's probably good enough just to get an idea of how this question works. So when we've added all of our responses, we could leave feedback or penalties and hints, and we'll save changes. Now we get the same type of screen we saw with the calculated question from before. Again, we'll leave a lot of this on the default questions. And we'll come down and we'll change some of this to make it whole numbers again. So again, we'll choose 5, 1 through 10, and we'll choose 10 and then do 10 through 20 just to get a good range of numbers. We'll give it 0 decimal places and leave it at uniform. Since we've changed the answers, we'll update them. And we can see now that based on addition, multiplication, or subtraction, there are 3 different answers. So we'll choose to add, let's say, 20 different items that are new sets of wildcards. And all that's going to do is generate different answers as new students were to take this test. So we can save changes.